little skin prep first since I just washed my face. For moisturizer, I'm going to use Annie Natural Beeswax Moisturizing Skin Cream, and this is the one in lavender. I'm not sure if they have different scents or not. This I actually got from Amazon, and it's supposed to be really hydrating, and it's also supposed to reduce wrinkles and age spots because it has a lot of vitamin A in it, and over time it tightens and kind of reduces those wrinkles. And it says a little bit goes a long way. It's very concentrated, so use sparingly. So I'm gonna use just a tiny bit.
So this is actually handmade on a honey farm by a local beekeeper in Rhode Island.
It also has a really lightweight finish. After it absorbs, it doesn't leave your skin sticky or anything. It's also supposed to repair any skin damage naturally. It says I'm actually going to put it on my neck as well. And then I'm going to put an eye cream on. I'm trying to get this little sticker off because it's like the Amazon sticker. I also got this from Amazon. Let's see what it says. Oh, it says 100% natural handmade skincare products. I'm going to use, it's an eye, Basic Naturals Under Eye Restore and Renew for dark circles and puffiness. And it's kind of weird because it comes in this little like chapstick container, but it's not hard at all. Like once you put it on your skin, it just goes, it's completely soft and it's really moisturizing. And this is actually also supposed to fight wrinkles, puffiness, dark circles, and under eye bags. This is my first time trying this one. What really got me is that it's also supposed to help produce collagen. It's really good for under the eye, and also it's really lightweight, so it's good for under makeup. So I'm just gonna rub this on my under eye.
And this is also handmade with organic ingredients from a vegan company in Connecticut.
And it's got almond oil, so it's super moisturizing. I'll have the link below. For foundation, I'm going to use the Jouer High Coverage Cream Foundation again, and I'm in the color Cameo. I just recently got the full-size bottle. I should probably add a primer first, huh? Primer, I'm going to use Smashbox's Petal Metal Primer. For concealer, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer in the color Light or Light Medium, I'm not sure. Light Medium is the one I'm going to use after all. Set that, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder.
As always, I'm going to start out with Sigma's eyeshadow based primer stick, and I'm going to apply that to my eyelid and then blend that out. This is to prevent any creasing and also to cancel out any discoloration. And then I'm going to take Urban Decay's Beach palette, and I'm going to take the color Daybreaker as my transition shade with a Sigma E38 brush. Then I'm going to take this matte brown shade from Girlaktic. I'm not sure what the name is called, but I'll have it listed in the description box. And I'm going to put that into my crease with the Sigma E25 blending brush. And then I'm going to take some concealer and kind of carve out that cut crease and then fill in my lid. And then just to set that on top of that, I'm going to take the lightest color from that palette and fill in my whole eyelid. And if I were to do this again, I would probably use the second color down from the palette just because it's a little bit darker. Then I'm going to also put that color in the inner corner of my eye. And the next step is optional. I just kind of did it because I wasn't sure what kind of lashes I was going to put. So I added a dark brown eyeliner to my lash line and then kind of smoked it out. And then on top of that, I added the like dark bronzy brown shade from the same palette with this is a Stilazzi, I'm not sure if that's what it's called, brush, but I'll list it in the description box below. They're pretty affordable and they were really good brushes. So I just packed that on my upper lash line and kind of just smoked it out a little bit. And then on my lower lash line, I used the same dark brown and then the transition shade I used in the beginning.
For bronzer, I'm going to use the one from Urban Decay from the Beached collection. I'm not sure. I have Sunkissed and Bronzed here. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. Sunkissed is kind of like, I don't know, it looks kind of pink to me. But then the bronze looks a little too dark. So I'm going to try bronzed. Blush, I'm gonna use oh wait, you know what? I have these new blushes from Kevyn Aucoin, but I don't know. Whoa, I don't know. This is kind of crazy. Maybe I'll use this one. Oh, not really there. This is the Neo blush in Sunset, Bright Golden Coral. I'm gonna kind of use the middle section. Pretty intense. They're definitely pigmented, super pigmented. For highlight, I'm going to use the Lancome Sparkling Peach Dual Finish Highlighter. I'm going to first spray my face with the Morphe Prep and Set setting spray. Gosh, I love the way that smells. It just smells so good. See that freaking highlighter? Sheesh. For lips, I have two right here, Huda Beauty's Girlfriend and Trendsetter. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use. Girlfriend's a little bit lighter. And more natural, and Trendsetter. I think I'm going to go with the darker one, which is Trendsetter.